Hello guys, the animal we choose as pet are often inexpensive, but there are some critters out there that hardly anyone can afford, from clone individual to extremely rare breeds. Let's start our top 5 most expensive animal ever sold. Number 5. Little Nicky. Cece, the first clone cat, was born in 2001. She was adopted by a scientific researcher who had worked on the project. A few years later, cat cloning went commercial. Little Nicky, the first feline clone specifically to be sold to an individual, was brought into the world in 2004. After the original Nicky had passed, a Texas woman named Julie went to the good people at Genetic Saving and Clone. She asked for her beloved pet to be cloned. The procedure cost $50,000. So Julie received an 8-week-old kitten clone from her deceased Nikki. She opted to name the kitty Little Nikki. She said, I have not been able to see any difference. This was the first instance of a clone cat being sold as a pet. Number 4. Armando. For most people, pigeons are little more than rats with wings that stop at nothing to poo on their cars. Pigeons have been an important species of bird for thousands of years. In fact, they are one of the oldest species of domesticated birds. People have eaten pigeons, strapped messages to their legs, and bred them for racing. In 2019, one racing pigeon named Armando was sold to a Chinese businessman for a grand total of $1.4 million. The high price came from a bidding war that ended at record levels. Armando was purchased for his ability to father a new generation of racing pigeons. Pigeon racing is especially popular in China, where record sales happen all the time. In 2013, the previous record holder Bolt sold for €310,000. Number 3. Big Splash. Typically, people spend around $1,000 to $2,000 for a purebred puppy, depending on the breed. Some individuals spend more. These large, fluffy canines have been around for more than 5,000 years, and owning one is considered a status symbol in China. It's rare to see them outside of Tibet, which is one reason why they are so costly. The most expensive one sold for $1.5 million to a coal baron from China. The dog named Big Splash was considered to be a perfect specimen. Big Splash was purchased as a status symbol. He will be treated like royalty with no expenses spared for his care. Number 2. Koi. Japanese koi breeding has been an art form for hundreds of years. Through selective breeding, a drab-looking species of carp become a vibrantly colored and highly priced species of fish. If you want koi to fill your pond, expect to pay a lot of money for the fish. The price goes up considerably when they are older and larger. Typically, koi can cost anywhere from a few bucks to a few $1,000s. The high price comes from various factors, but the most notable is bloodline. Koi bloodlines are as highly valued as those belonging to pedigree dogs breed. At the All Japan Koi Show in 2017, the 9-year-old Grand Champion fish was sold for a whopping $1.8 million at auction. This makes her the most expensive koi ever sold. Fortunately, she's got a few years ahead of her. Koi can live for up to 40 years. Number 1. Fossachi Pegasus. It's hardly surprising that the most expensive animal ever sold was a thoroughbred. Horse racing is one of the oldest sports favored by the wealthy. When a horse wins one of the most prominent races in the world, it can fetch a lot of money in stud fees. The most expensive horse ever purchased was named Fossachi Pegasus. He was sold shortly after winning the Kentucky Derby in 2000. The actual amount paid was not disclosed at the time of sale, but it has been estimated at 60 to 70 million dollars. Thoroughbreds are prized for their genes. So the stud fees for Versace Pizzazz are no joke. Since that time, he's shared more than 75 stacks winner worldwide, though the price of his service has dropped significantly. But that's luckily due to the unprecedented price paid for him. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, we'll be back soon.